Join me as I dive into the real-life applications of HCF and challenge myself to spot it in everyday situations. In this video, you'll discover how HCF is not just a math concept, but a practical tool used every day in various situations. Many people struggle to see the relevance of math in real life, particularly when it comes to concepts like HCF. They often think, why do I need to know this? When am I ever going to use it? But the truth is, math is all around us, and HCF is one of those concepts that can make a significant difference in our daily lives. We've all been there, trying to split a bill with friends or dividing a bag of candy among siblings. HCF is already at play in these situations. But we often overlook its significance, dismissing it as just a mathematical concept. However, when we delve deeper, we realize that HCF is more than just a formula or a method. It's a problem-solving tool that can simplify our lives in countless ways. Imagine you're planning a road trip with your family and you need to decide how many containers to bring for snacks. You have a big bag of chips and you want to divide it equally among the 6 of you. That's where HCF comes in. It helps you figure out the greatest number of chips you can put in each container so that everyone gets an equal share. It's not just about math, it's about fairness and making sure everyone has a good time. But that's not all. HCF has many more real-life applications that we'll explore in this video. From dividing items into groups to simplifying recipes, HCF is an essential tool that can make our lives easier and more efficient. Let's say you're baking a cake for a friend's birthday, and the recipe calls for 12 eggs, but you only have 8 eggs at home. You can use HCF to find the greatest common factor between 12 and 8, which is 4. This means you can scale down the recipe to use 4 eggs and still end up with a delicious cake. HCF is not just about math. It's about problem solving and finding creative solutions to everyday problems. For instance, have you ever tried to plan an event or a party and struggled to figure out how many tables or chairs you need? That's where HCF comes in. It helps you determine the most efficient way to arrange your seating and tables so that everyone has enough space and comfort. Let's say you're planning a wedding and you have 120 guests attending. You want to put 8 guests at each table, but you're not sure how many tables you'll need. By using HCF, you can find the greatest common factor between 120 and 8, which is 8. This means you'll need 15 tables to accommodate all your guests comfortably. Imagine you're organizing a party and you need to set up the seating arrangement. You have 24 chairs and you want to arrange them in rows so that everyone has a comfortable seat. By using HCF, you can find the greatest common factor between 24 and the number of rows you want. Let's say 4. This means you can arrange the chairs in 4 rows of 6 chairs each, making it easy for your guests to mingle and have a good time. HCF is not just about math. It's about creating memorable experiences for ourselves and others. In this scenario, HCF helps us simplify the task of arranging the seating, making it easier to visualize and plan the layout of the party. It's not just about solving a math problem. It's about creating a sense of community and connection among our friends and family. In summary, HCF is not just a math concept, but a practical tool that can simplify our everyday tasks and make our lives easier. By recognizing its value and applying it in real-life situations, we can become more efficient, creative, and effective problem solvers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to spot HCF in your own everyday situations. If you have any experiences or examples of how you've used HCF in real life, share them with us in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about practical math applications, check out our next video.